Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. Today's video is going to be a simple yet very elegant butterscotch cake design. I'm going to show you the stepwise decoration of how I have done this cake. If you have any queries regarding this, you are free to ask me in the comment section. I'll definitely get back to all of your questions. So let's get started and enjoy the video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. And a request to all my friends, kindly do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel, and do write to us in the comment section if you want some other kind of videos or some other kind of cake decorations that you would like to see. Till we meet again in the next video, it is bye-bye from all of us here. Take care and God bless.